Hi, Adam Walter of Virtual C here, and I want to invite you to a webinar that's going to take you on a journey to take your web setup from this, a crappy at-home setup with poor lighting and poor sound, to this, a world-class setup that allows you to stay front and center with your clients, whether you're presenting slideshows and whiteboards or you are sharing ideas amongst each other. So attend this webinar today to learn about how to set up your microphones, your lighting, your cameras, which equipment to buy, and what tips and tricks and tools there are to create a setup like this to take your presentations and your conversations to the next level. We'll see you there.